Hello, my name is Lieutenant Monty Pearl. I work for the United States Army in Fort Jackson, South Carolina. I'm an executive officer. My job is to resource training all parts associated with that. Part of my burden had always been to resource the cleaning of the M16 after much use during BRM week and our final field exercise of 5 days with all those blanks.
What's the difference between a solvent and this?
The solvent in this here?
Yeah.
Solvent is a hazardous material. This is a cleaning detergent that's got microbes in it that actually eat oil and carbon.
So the solvent is hazardous then?
Yep, that's the hazardous part of the process. And these tanks here don't cause any harm to the user or to the equipment that's
so
being...
So this is environmentally safe?
Exactly. And it should be quite a bit quicker. These solvent, this tank, this cleaning tank is as efficient as any solvent tank that's out there today. Okay, here's a firing pin that's full of carbon. Let's see the other parts too. You can see it coming off on her hands. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start cleaning this. Keep an eye on this. That's coming right off, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Now, the parts that are a little tougher are that ring around in the base of the firing pin's got a buildup of carbon, but the carbon that was on that firing pin is already gone. Now it's a matter of getting the carbon off that ring in the base, and that's a crucial area.
Several months ago, we were introduced to the solvent tank here to provide a beginning to see if it worked for us. I can tell you after 3 cycles and about 700 soldiers that it saved us resources in acquiring these. I have lots of these on my shelf thanks to this tank. I don't have to go around and pick these things up out of the dumpster because sometimes the environmental guys didn't like it because there was lots of COP, carbon, and other buildup on these things. And also save my soldiers time.
You can put that right under that solution too.
I mentioned earlier about the difficulty sometimes it would be to get rid of some of those things depending on what was on them, the fluid on them. We've got information from our environmental office as well as our safety office saying that yeah, this weapons cleaning system is far superior than anything that industrial we've used before, any of the normal solvent tanks, the old time Cold War solvent tanks. This new generation cleaning system is the way to go when speaking with both environmental and the safety office, and then I'm speaking on my behalf as executive officer here at Fort Jackson.
And here the assembly continues with weapons being put back together in order here so that they don't interchange any parts. How's this working at this end? Does the weapons look pretty clean to you guys?
Yes, sir. Pretty clean. Yes, sir.